Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I got an interesting question earlier from Quora. And the Quora user was asking me this question: how can I legally fudge the information in my previous roles on LinkedIn? Now, I'm not all about legally fudging anything, but I am all about sharing information that's relevant from your past in regards to who you are and what you want to do today or in your future. Let me give you an example. So I met a lady years ago who was accounts payable A through L. For many, many years, her role in the organization was accounts payable A through L. Well, she doesn't want to do accounts payable anymore. She wants to do something else in another area of the accounting department. And so what I suggested to her after discussing how she grew, how she learned, I said, in your title on that previous position, don't put accounts payable A through L, put accounting professional. And what I suggested that she do is in the description box, instead of talking about processing accounts payable A through L invoices and payments, etc., I said she recommended that she put in there some of the other work she did in regards to A, being efficient and productive and having quality work, managing transactions in the accounting system. Another idea I suggested is talk about how she grew and developed and learned different accounting systems over the years and how she became very proficient in whatever the most recent one is that she was using. Then I suggested, hey, why don't you talk about what you learned as an accounting professional, how you learned and got to understand GAAP and transaction management and quality and reporting and having the right information at the right time so the organization can make business decisions on that information without ever referring to accounts payable, let alone A through L. Look, this is not legal fudging. This is talking about what you did in a previous life that's relevant to who you are and what you do today. And this is how brochures, marketing documents, i.e. LinkedIn profiles, should be written. Focused on your most important viewer, talking about what you did in your past that's relevant to who you are and or what you want to do today and moving forward. It's not legal fudging. It's writing the content in a way that presents you in the best possible way. So this is just one of the many different questions I get that I answer in my LinkedIn training and in my mastermind groups. So if you want to get more value out of LinkedIn, whether in your current position, whether in your career transition activity, or whatever your purpose and goal is for using LinkedIn, then we need to talk. Because this is what I teach. These are the kinds of questions I help answer so that people can get meaningful value out of their use of LinkedIn. Now, if you're catching this video before January 22nd, 2020, then we need to talk, because I have a mastermind group that kicks off at the end of this month, all about using LinkedIn as a business tool. Lots of content, lots of ideas, lots of knowledge, information that can help you use LinkedIn very purposefully. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I hope this quick little video is helpful for you.